When the day awakens, we send our first signal on how we want to live our life that day. When we start with rushing through, rushing will be our companion during the day. If we decide to start our day with some time for within, then we will be more centered and stabilized all through the day. And we will also gain much more power. So I invite you right now to see what is here. I invite you to see even deeper. I invite you to perceive with all your senses. More and more you will melt with nature and all the separation dissolves. When you do this, you gain all the power of nature, which will be there for you all through the day. Have a beautiful day and think of your morning trip to nature here and then.